Hello, Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Aquarius. Aquarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Aquarius people, first of all I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. So Aquarius people, this is your current energy and this is your partner's current energy. Queen of Cups. Alright. So Aquarius people, you being the queen in this relationship, you being the having a lot of feminine energy within yourself, you have true emotions for this person. Okay, you have true love for this person. You are calm, you are poised, you are nurturer, you are giver. Alright. And you are somebody who is always very calm, very composed, very kind towards your person. Apart from that, you are also someone who has genuine emotions for your partner. And you are like so concerned about this relationship, you are like so concerned about your person that you are afraid to keep this cup of emotion to somewhere else. You just want to hold it very tightly. And somehow your person feels drained, your person feels stuck. That why this person is so much into me, why don't they have any other thing to do? I don't know. Let's see what is the current energy of your partner. The World. Oh God. A cycle has been over for your person. A big transformation has been done for them, and a new chapter has been opened for them. Perhaps they have been through a lot of struggles in their life in past, and now that struggle is over. Now they have started seeing good days in their life, or probably they will be experiencing a good time in their world. So a cycle has been ended for them, a new chapter of their life has begun. You must be experiencing, you must be feeling the same thing. Perhaps their behavior must have changed towards you, perhaps their behavior, their thought process must have changed. Something has happened for them. Now let's see how you see them, how they see you, and what actions you can take towards each other. So this card belongs to you, how you see them, what actions you can take towards them, how they see you, what actions they can take towards you. How you see them, the outsider. According to you, Aquarius, you feel that your person is very fearful in life, and they are not able to move out from their current location, current situations, current energies. Okay. So according to you, you feel that this person is abide by their own fears. Okay, they are very fearful that they are not able to move out from their comfort zone, from their negative energies. But also you feel that this person has all these problems just because of their own preconceived notions. Because according to you, they can free themselves anytime, they can be out from this situation anytime, but they are not doing it. Alright, let's see what actions you can take towards this person. Alright, so this maturity card tells me that you must be learning a lot about this person right now, and you just want to understand what is happening around them, what is happening within their own mind. Okay, you are just learning how this person behaves, how this person react on certain situations. Okay, only then you will be able to move ahead towards this person. Okay, now let's see how this person sees you, basically through stress. Alright, so this person sees you as somebody who takes unnecessary stress. According to them, you are someone who is an overthinker. Okay, you think a lot, you put all your heart and mind on a particular situation or on a particular person. Okay, and sometimes you overthink, and that thing brings so much of stress in your life. Okay, now let's see what actions this person can take towards you. Beyond illusion. Perhaps this person is planning to take some action towards you, and they just want to give you a beautiful surprise. Okay, they themselves are not aware what surprise they can take, they can give to you, but that is for sure that this person is thinking beyond their own imaginative powers. How can I, how can I surprise my Aquarius person? Okay, so you can expect an unexpected action from your person, some unexpected calls or some unexpected visits and meetings from your person's side. Okay, now let's see what is the angel's message for you. Perfect timing. All right, as I said, this person is planning something for you, so angels are also asking you to wait till the perfect timing. You need to wait for the perfect timing, only then you will be able to get something out of this relationship. All right, okay. So Aquarius people, it seems like some of you could be dealing with Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay. Alright, so Aquarius people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.